Hello guys, and welcome to our first video on ePhones TV. Today we're going to do a little review of the Honor Band 5. This is in stock at ePhones.com. We're just going to do a quick run through some of the specs, and basically after that we're going to set up the Honor Band 5 using another one of our devices we sell on ePhones. So yeah, jump right into this. So if you just take the box and you just spin it and look at the back, you have sort of a rundown of some of the features that the Honor Band 5 has. So to start with, it has a large AMO LED screen. I'm not sure if I'm saying that wrong, but multiple stylish watch faces, a scientific sleep monitor with sleep stages. So what this is it monitors your sleep. If you wear it while you sleep, it'll monitor things like your heart rate and any activity during your sleep, and basically tell you how your sleep was, and if you had a good night's sleep or a light sleep, it will tell you basically what went on while you were asleep. It has Huawei's True Screen 3.0 heart rate monitor built in, so this is again pretty self-explanatory. That's just a heart rate monitor. It has other functions. Previously in the Honor Band 4, it measured oxygen blood levels. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. It can also detect what type of swimming you're doing. So it has a stroke recognition, which you can see here. Multi-sport functionality, so swimming, cycling, running, it will detect your step distance and speed that you did a certain area. You can link it up to other apps as well. Smart notifications, so all your calls and messages will come through, it just buzz your arm, and it has a battery life of 14 days. That is assuming that you have fully charged the device. We're going to go ahead and unbox this now, so we're just going to take it out of its packaging. So now what we have inside these is we have the charging device here that you literally just plug your Honor Band onto, and we have the Honor Band 5 itself. So it comes like this with this little protector on it to stop the screen getting damaged or scratched as it's coming over. This is obviously the blue one, black ones as well. There is a pink one which is currently out of stock on ePhones.com, but we should be getting some soon. So straight away you can see if we just remove this band, on the back it's got your heart rate, all your sensors here. This is for charging, this is your charging point, and it will just clip in. So if you simply take this, place it onto these here, clip it in, and then obviously connect it to your USB and to the charging port, and that's how you charge it. First time you turn it on, you'll need to dock it in this sort of charging station, and then it should just switch on. So now you can see this is the sort of setup process. You've got a screen here, and it will tell you straight away to install the Huawei Health app on your phone to pair it with your Honor Band. So what we're going to do now is bring this Honor 9X, which is, although the tape has been cut, has not been opened yet. We also sell the Honor 9X on ePhones.com. It is an incredible phone. It's got a lot of traction recently, just purely because of how incredible that back looks on the phone. I'm not sure if the camera can quite pick up how
good that looks, but
it looks great. I'm just going to quickly skip through this and set up the Honor 9X, and then we should get started. So on the actual box of the Honor Band 5, you can see it says please search for Huawei Health on the Google Play or scan the QR code to download. Now on this Honor 9X, the Huawei Health app is actually already pre-installed as soon as we did it, so we don't need to do any of this, but you can use a quick QR code scanner and download the app, or just search it on Google Play. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into the app here. You just have to agree to the terms. You have to register a Huawei account. So now we're in the Huawei Health app, so we're going to pick up this Honor Band. We're simply going to go over to this plus sign at the top. We're going to go to Smart Bands, and it's basically going to check for updates real quick. So it'll update for this little time, and then you should be able to find the Honor Band 5, or it says 4 or 5 here, but click pair, allow, okay, allow. You find the Honor Band 5, it should pair, it will buzz in this hand, so you'll know that it's looking for that. Accept that now, and then paired, so it'll come up here on here, so it's all ready. You can enable here, you have all your settings, so your health settings, which I'm going to allow. So that's notification access. You can obviously allow it to see all of this sort of stuff down here. Now, let's just allow it to use all this, allow that. Now you should be able to see it's got 75% back charge. True Sleep is currently disabled, so we can just go ahead and enable that. So now that's enabled. Heart rate monitoring is disabled. turn that on. So the smart one adjusts the frequency of measurements depending on your current state of activity. So therefore, if you were running, take more frequent heart rate measurements. If you were just walking, your general activities, it would sort of slow it down. It saves power on the Honor Band. You can have a high heart rate alert. I think this is more of a health thing for, say, you had an illness where you needed to know if your heart rate was getting above a certain limit. Set an alarm. Disturb is currently disabled, so when I get a message it will buzz. Raise wrist, rotate wrist to switch screens. So all these settings are fine. What we're going to do now is take this back piece off and put this watch on. So just slide it on like that. Find something that's comfortable, so that through, and then you've got your Honor Band watch. So what it does have is a raise, it won't go off now, but when I switch the watch over it should come on. As you can see, you can go through. So this is my steps. Obviously I've just put this on, so I've got 0. Heart rate, it will measure 72. I don't know if that's good or bad. And then this is my sleep panel, which I haven't slept yet. This is a workout one, which basically you set it to whatever you're doing. So an outdoor walk, outdoor run, cycle, anything you want, swimming, free training. So say I was to set it to an indoor run, you can set the target and alert, and it will work out from there. What you can then do, you've got your messages option here. Obviously there's no messages on here, but if you were to get a message, it would alert you on here, it would buzz on your wrist, and then you could turn the watch over, see that you had a notification, and then reply. If we go ahead and go into the settings here, you can set a timer, a stopwatch. You can customize the faces in here, so I can choose through all of these different faces. So say I like this one, select this, now it looks like this. That's about it for what's on the watch, which is actually, it's a lot of stuff on this watch, and for the price you're paying for it, it's incredible. So there's a battery life and the current temperature, 7 degrees apparently. Feels a lot colder than that. So I'm just going to set this back to the watch face. So another feature is in the actual app, you will be able to see all the data recorded from the watch. You can set reminders, you can even allow it to put weather reports. So the app is a really useful way of connecting sort of your watch to the phone, and it works seamlessly on a 9X. It's really easy to set up and quick, and we just showed you how quick it was. We took a phone from literally out of the box to connect to this app in pretty fast, and we started to set up everything. So overall I would say the Honor Band 5 is an incredible fitness band for the price of it. We've had a previous look at the Honor Band 4 and this is a definite improvement. It has a lot of features on it, and really for $29.99 like we have it on ephones.com, you cannot really complain with any of this. It's got good quality, you can change these straps whatever you want. Would I recommend this? 100%. It looks great, it does the job, and it's an amazing price for what it does, and it's easy to set up. Anyone can do it. So yeah, we'll link the Honor Band 5 below at ephones.com. We'll also link the Honor 9X that we were using. So yeah, thank you for watching our first proper video on ePhones TV. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, then hit that subscribe button. If you think of any way we can improve the video, then leave a comment below. We'd love to hear any thought, any inputs you have. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.